Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to search text in Foxit PDF Reader in 2026. First, open Foxit PDF Reader on your computer. Then click File and choose Open. Select the PDF file that you want to search and click Open. After the PDF file opens, press Ctrl and F on your keyboard. A search box will appear at the top of the window. Type the word or phrase you want to find in the PDF document, then press Enter on your keyboard. Foxit PDF Reader will automatically search the document and highlight the matching text. The first matching result will be selected on the page. To move to the next result, press Enter again. To go back to the previous result, press Shift and Enter. You can continue searching until you find the exact word or phrase you need. When you finish searching, click the X button in the search box to close the search panel. Using the search feature is one of the fastest ways to find names, numbers, dates, or important information in a large PDF document. That's it. You have successfully searched text in Foxit PDF Reader in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.